Hello everyone, bonjour. I'm going to talk today about how to use cable robots in the sanitation, cleaning of manufacturers that transform food, especially the protein environments. So first of all, each day, once you have produced meat, fish, well, you need to clean the whole area. So there's some teams that are assigned to that. Normally it's a night shift. It is done with water, pressure water. It is with chemicals. And so it's an environment which is normally not the more popular shift that you would like to have. And so because of that, well, you have employees that may vary a bit day after day, the quality of their work. And this can bring some different impacts for the company. First of all, if the plant is not cleaned correctly, well, the day after, you might not open your production. You need to find out where the contamination is, and you need to re-clean. If you don't find that contamination and it goes on the food, well, you can have some recalls. If you have some recalls, when you can have damage also to your brand. So for a shift that is done at night, where nobody really wants to do it, it is a real risk for that industry. So it is a task that should be automated. Why is it's not automated today? It's mainly because there's two big requirements. You need to have a large area of operation, and it's complex movements. So it's complex robotic movements to do all of the cleanings of the different equipment. So the systems that are proposed today, well, brings the ROI at a point where people, well, companies continue working with their old habits. About 9, we brought a solution that is different. So we brought cable robotics to the solution. So here, a little video. So we have implemented that in a fish factory in Iceland. They had the idea of using our technology of cable robotics and to do a technological assembly to do the automation of the cleaning of their conveyors. It can go in between, it can go also at the floor level. So we're using their already existing system for distributing water, soap, and also disinfectant. So the benefit that we're bringing in is, first of all, reducing risk of contamination by being constant. After every day, you'll have the exact same movements that will be done, which will have been certified to be cleaning correctly the environment. Also, we are using a robot. Robots can generate logs. So every day for your risk management team, you have a complete report that the task has really been done. You don't need to have cameras and looking at the employees if they're really doing their job. And another thing that's important is to reduce the staff of that team and making sure that the critical elements are cleaned correctly. Just by looking, well, for the Scandinavian environment, the regions, we are able to bring in robotics with cable robots supporting it with ROI of 1.5 years, sometimes 2 years, depending on the environment. So mainly, this is what we brought with that new technology to the market. And it's working pretty fine today. Just saying, it is our listening of the customers that brought us this idea. We didn't, you know, we had a technology that was enabler, but the SMEs, they know what they're talking about. Listening to them, well, brings in solutions like this one. Thank you very much.